Hello guys, welcome to the BMW 545i that is leaking oil from the alternator brackets seal. As you can see, this come out with lots of labor, lots of special tools. This is what we had to do in order to remove all this. Has been already about 2 hours labor wrestling with this beauty. As you can see, that's the motor mount, and that's the alternator bracket, and also on this one 545i so had to remove the power steering pump. As you can see guys, this is what it looks. All the BMW designers who see this is bullshit, man. What the fuck? We don't have oil cooler in this car. You could do something else. Alright guys, take it easy.